Here's how to upload an Unbounce template file in Unbounce. In your Unbounce account, you can either download an existing Unbounce template or create a new landing page to use as one. If you're creating a new page, choose a template, set a name for it, and click Start with this template. You'll be redirected to the classic Unbounce builder, where you can edit and publish your page. Once your landing page is ready, go back to your All Pages list. Find the page you want to download, click the three dots on the right-hand side, and select Download Page. A window will appear prompting you to download the Unbounce file. You can choose to have the download link emailed to the Gmail account connected to your Unbounce account. Open your email inbox and click the Download Page link. Your Unbounce file will then download to your computer. Now go back to your Unbounce dashboard. In the Pages section, click Upload a Page. Select your downloaded Unbounce file from your computer and click Upload. Once the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation message saying your file was uploaded successfully. Refresh your page, and you'll see your uploaded landing page added to your list. You can now open and edit it just like any other page in Unbounce. And that's how to upload an Unbounce template file in Unbounce.